Export of petroleum products in different ways. The existence of appropriate solutions in the field of transfers of petroleum products to neighboring countries and countries requesting these products can meet the needs of the target market in a short time, and in addition to providing funds and developing relationships, customer satisfaction. By exporting petroleum products to neighboring countries and the diversity of these products and oil reserves, we can finally see a favorable economic income. By expanding relations as well as increasing revenues from the export of petroleum products, we can hope for proper economic development resulting from this process. Production products in the country's refineries with high diversity as well as appropriate operational mechanisms can use their financial and personnel processes to take an effective step in the production and export of petroleum products to other countries. In principle, the applicant countries for the import and purchase of petroleum products in the Middle East, according to their needs for the supply of petroleum products in various ways, submit their request for the need for these products in different volumes. After certain steps, it is possible to export petroleum products. All matters related to the export of petroleum products can be done legally and properly, and these companies in this field do the export in a specialized way using standard methods in sending these materials to reach the destination. Possibility of proper delivery of petroleum products. Various facilities of oil companies for proper storage of petroleum products from different refineries and appropriate experiences of experts working in this field, the possibility of storage and transportation of petroleum products in the right way for international markets. Proper and timely supply of these products, while maintaining the appropriate points in the export of petroleum products to neighboring countries at the appropriate speed, will gain the trust of trading partners, and in this case, relations will continue to expand. Supply of petroleum products to different countries that demand these products, if possible in the required volume, as a result, will continue these relations and ultimately lead to proper growth in the export of these compounds. Proper attention to consumer markets in countries where the market is growing is one of the main goals for trade for mufti products, which has been considered by exporters of these products and refinery products. Middle East petroleum products. Diesel fuel, industrial gas oil, and domestic fuel are also included in this section. But many refinery products no longer use fuel, including asphalt, base oils, or lubricating oils, propylene, and a variety of aromatics. Asphalt, which is used to make roads and roofs flat or impenetrable, is one of the most widely used petroleum products. On the other hand, lubricating oils that are used for industrial machinery or car engines, and because of their properties, prevent the friction of surfaces and damage to surfaces. Waxes, greases, kerosene, sulfur, and petroleum coke have also been introduced as non-fuel petroleum products. Kerosene is a colorless, odorless oil that is used in the production of cosmetics and is also used in the pharmaceutical industry. This product is used in the production of shampoos and shaving pastes. Sulfurs, which in many cases have been named as a detrimental factor to petroleum products, which leads to poor product quality, when separated from petroleum products in the refinery and sold separately to various industries, is a very important and widely used petrochemical product. Petroleum coke is also a byproduct of refineries used as fuel for power plants and cement plants. This product is used to make electrodes and anodes. Trading petroleum products in the Middle East. Exports of petroleum products to the Middle East have been greatly developed in terms of the proper use of oil and gas reserves on a large scale, having a suitable geographical location in the Middle East for exports and international transactions. Finally, the proximity of the Middle East to countries that are growing and developing in international markets and have a good consumer market makes the issue of exports in various categories a matter of course and important. Meanwhile, the national companies distributing petroleum products in the Middle East, using the existing experts in the field of export and the competitive advantages that exist in this regard, have appropriate technical facilities and using the existing tanks to store these products. Oil has desirable and advanced facilities in terms of transportation. In a short period, the company has been able to penetrate the oil markets successfully with the necessary commitments, including China, Japan, Singapore, UAE, South Korea, and Africa. What are petroleum products? In the refinery, various products are obtained from crude oil, and to know how an amount of these products, the crude oil must first be evaluated in the laboratory. What is obtained in this evaluation will be used to design and adjust the work of the refinery and refining equipment. The cuts obtained from the distillation of crude oil in the refinery distillation tower may not be usable in the first place as semi-finished products, so each cut depends on how it is and how to improve its quality to other units such as catalytic conversion. Reduction of viscosity, washing with a solvent, and so on are taken to prepare the final products. In general, crude oil is slightly heated after entering the refinery and then driven to the distillation tower, where it is converted into important oil cuts under atmospheric pressure and vacuum conditions. These incisions have different propositional points. Sometimes some of these sections may be marketed as a final product, but usually, other refining operations must be performed on these first sections, and possibly hydrocarbons must be mixed to obtain the final product. In refineries, different parts of crude oil are separated and other usable products are introduced into production. According to the International Journal of Oil and Gas, there are over 6,000 petroleum products, most of which are used in our daily lives, and perhaps few people know about their relationship to oil. It should be noted that petroleum products are used in all areas of our lives. Plastics and plastic materials are one of these high-consumption products, and life is impossible without these products, and making all kinds of car, motorcycle, and bicycle tires is another part of the goods that are produced as a result of oil processing in refineries. Many of the liquids used to clean surfaces these days are petroleum products, and a variety of deodorants and inks are petroleum products.